Hi, uh, welcome to our another episode of unboxing uh, video. Today I'm unboxing this Xhdata D808. I got this radio as a gift from my friend in the last uh, September. Amazon is started their Amazon Indian Festival, Great Indian Festival. One of my friend gifted to me, and today this radio will arrive. So we can go and unbox this radio. This is the package it comes from. Hope everyone can see the package. They written that Xhdata D808 portable radio, and the date and month and all the dates, 10th 2024, tax amount and origin of country of origin China. Without wasting your time, we can unbox this. Yes. This is our radio Xhdata D808, and this color is black. I have this gray color. See, they marked black. In this box, world band broadcasting, SSB reception, LSB, USB LSB. There is